Okay, what's up? This is my first time on doing this, an unboxing of one of my collections. So I recently got this Sulun SG105 from Top Spot Guns, and let's see what's inside the box. Okay, there we go. What's inclusive in the hard case box? This one I don't really like it. Medyo manipis and yeah. So we're gonna replace this. And so what's included in there is there's a cleaning kit na. Let's see what's inside there. Alright. Okay, the rods. Okay, yeah, there it is. It's rod. Yeah. Steel brush though. Okay, cleaning. There you go. That's one. What else? It has a multi-choke na kasama. I think there's 4 of them. Plus the tool for changing. So I believe there's one already in there. So we're gonna try that on the range and see which one works well. Then keep it open. Yan. Oh, it comes with earplugs, free, like freebies. A single point bungee strap. The first tools, 5-rounder magazine, 4+1, the 9+1 magazine. Wow, there you go. Now the firearm itself. Okay, here we go. We took the box out of the way so we can see the firearm closely. Little disclaimer lang, hindi po tayo gun expert. We're just enthusiasts, and I'm just pretty happy with my purchase of this gun. Okay, just a quick rundown of the features of this firearm. It has a rubber buttstock. Also has the adjustable cheek riser. The swivel stud is reversible, so you can switch the sling. If you want it on the left or the right hand side, you just push it down there and there it goes. It has a charging handle here. I already installed the cocking handle so I can use it as well. We're gonna try it in the range later on. It has the Picatinny rail on the top and dalawa on the side magkabila. And it also have the angled foregrip na dito. Alright. On the top naman, what I really like about this is the accessibility ng kanyang sight. So you just push this down and then it flip like that. And if you want to put it back on the position, just push it down. I have the CCA kasi where you have to on the side yung kanyang switch. So yeah, this one's really cool. I also like the charging handle here on the top para with the AR feel. So we'll see about that. What else? With the magazine, let's see how it looks like. The 5-rounder mag. Okay, there you go. That's how it looks like. Okay, subukan natin sa range. Testing. Sulun Arms SG105. Okay. 5-rounder. I'm gonna aim on the middle sa Q. Okay. Testing. Firing. Clear. Woo! Yan, lap. Parang nakasingit ako na isang backshot. Ay, na isang slug. Okay, anyway. Nice. Woo! Sulun. Now we're gonna test kung talagang yung cartridge would shoot. I think that's 60-degree angle palabas dito. So kasi the claim was the question is paano kung left-handed yung gagamit ng firearm. So nakakabila siya, natatakot baka saan pupunta yung cartridge pag eject. So I'm gonna put the camera angle sa likod. And let's see kung paano siya tatalsik. Okay? Here we go. Okay. Firing. Okay, clear. To a lefty. Sige. Sulun SG105 from Turkey. So far, so good. Okay naman. Okay. Last one for the day. Woo! Okay. Pwede naman. Sayang eh, no?
Oh.
Okay. We'll just try to see. Uy.
Grabe, vlogger.
Tsaka lang. Nakalabas yung taliri ko. Ayan na naman siya.
Ayun siya. Huwag mo pansinin yan.
Hindi ako nakaka-focus dahil kung may komedyante tayo bisita.
Okay.
My special guest, Michael V in the house.
Hi vlogger.
Si Bitoy.
Vlogger po siya.
Thank you, Michael V.
Pero po siyang 1 subscriber.
Okay.